Namaskar. A tree called pyri or peepar is found all over India. It has paranda, that is small branches like banyan tree, and its leaves are slightly like the leaves of tree ashwatha. If we observe, we will definitely find its trees in our area too. So the question of availability is not that difficult. We are going to see about one of the great properties of this tree because other plants do not necessarily have this property, but it has a special importance in the properties of the pyre tree. Those special properties are: it is useful in pralapa, murcha and brahma. We know the conditions of many patients with this. All these disorders or symptoms are related to the mind. The second thing is fatigue, that is process of becoming unconscious, is something we experience many times in our daily lives. It can also be related to the mind. And the third thing is Brahma, are also related to the mind. Some people experience these symptoms intermittently, and then some home remedies are also done for that. However, many types of medicines are available in the market for this purpose from psychiatrists. These medicines become habit forming, and their effect on the body is going to manda or slow. This is everyone's experience. Against this background, it is very important that this tree is used for all these diseases. We see in our business that all these conditions are due to the mental causes, but we do not use this tree, which works on the mind. Even though it is close to us, if we use it, we will have many types of problems, and some people who have the above symptoms from time to time, they will get benefit more. It is used for wounds or ulcers, and at the same time its use is said for vaginal diseases. That is, of an ulcer is formed in the vagina and there is a bleeding or white discharge, then it is beneficial used to fill in that place, and it is beneficial. It is used for kapha and pitta dosha. It is used as a rakta pitta nashak. Let us see what is the properties are according to the astrology based on Indian philosophy. It is the Aradhya tree of Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. It will be special use to those born under Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. It is more useful for Leo and Virigo Rashi. It will be of use to everyone in the above described disorders or symptoms. However, it is certain that it will be of the greatest use when Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra is associated with Virgo and Leo. It is easy to use its leaves in the form of their rasa or its bark powder. It should be used especially in the case of mental diseases. It will be a good medicine in today's times. That is, everyone will benefit from it. Thank you very much.